Hello, and welcome to Amazing Video on our channel. Nowadays, sharing visual content is not just a trend, it's a way of life. So deciding which camera is best for you can be both exciting and challenging. But don't worry, because in this video I'll show you the best vlogging cameras of 2024 and explain why each one is our favorite. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. So without wasting any more time, let's take a look at the best vlogging cameras of 2024. Sony ZV-E1. If money is no obstacle, the Sony ZV-E1 is the best vlogging camera you can get. It's Sony's first full-frame vlogging cam, with a 12-megapixel full-frame sensor that's optimized for low light, making it a great choice if you tend to work in less controlled lighting conditions. On top of that, it can record at up to 120 FPS in 4K, with internal 10-bit 4:2 capture, and has one of the most sophisticated autofocus systems on the market. There's no viewfinder here, but the camera includes a stereo vlogging mic and a fully articulated screen that makes it easy to monitor yourself, along with in-body image stabilization to help reduce camera shake. This is the ultimate vlog camera for the solo operator, with features designed to take the guesswork out of video production. Naturally, it also comes at a premium price. So unless you're serious about making a career out of vlogging, it will likely be overkill for your needs. 2. Sony a6700. The Sony a6700 may not be as advanced as the Sony ZV-E1, with more of a hybrid design and a smaller APS-C sensor that isn't as adept in low light, but it's chock full of amazing video features for the price. 4K recording at up to 120 FPS is a highlight despite incurring a significant crop. And the camera uses the same incredible AF system as the higher-end ZV-E1. The camera also has IBIS for smoother handheld recording and a fully articulated screen so you can monitor yourself. Plus, more advanced shooters can take advantage of internal 10-bit 4:2 recording to get more flexibility when color grading and editing. Overall, the a6700 is an excellent video camera for the price, with more than enough advanced video features to please enthusiasts. 3. Canon EOS R10. If the Sony a6700 is a little too pricey for you, the Canon EOS R10 is a great mid-range choice. It's more of an entry-level camera than the Sony, with more limited internal recording capabilities and no IBIS. But if you don't intend to use log profiles and color grade your own footage, then the R10 still has a lot to offer. It captures high-quality 4K footage, with 4K recording at up to 60, and includes a slow-motion recording mode in 1080p. Beyond that, it has a highly effective autofocus system and a really intuitive user interface that's well-suited for beginners. The camera is also quite lightweight for on-the-go shooting and features a bright, fully articulated touchscreen, so you can monitor yourself while recording. Its battery life leaves something to be desired, but you can always power the camera externally if you need more juice. 4. Sony ZV-E10. The Sony ZV-E10 is the budget option in Sony's ZV series and one of the best options if you're just starting out. Though it doesn't have a viewfinder, making it less versatile for hybrid shooters, its fully articulated screen makes it easy to monitor yourself while recording. This camera also has a headphone jack and a low-profile hand grip that's easier to hold in a selfie position. You're missing out on IBIS at this price point, so go for an optically stabilized lens if you plan on shooting handheld. Its frame rate options are more limited than what you get with the Canon EOS R10, maxing out at 4K 30 FPS with a slight crop. However, it has a very reliable autofocus system, including specialized focus modes like Product Showcase. This feature is a godsend for product and beauty vloggers, as it'll automatically shift focus from your face to any object you hold up in the frame. While the Canon R10 is a little more versatile for hybrid photo-video shooters thanks to its viewfinder, the ZV-E10 is the way to go if you need a vlogging-oriented camera on a budget. 5. DJI Pocket 2. It's hard to find a mirrorless or DSLR camera for cheap unless you buy used, but the DJI Pocket 2 is a unique all-in-one vlogging tool that won't break the bank. Unlike our other picks, it has a built-in 3-axis stabilized gimbal, so you can easily capture buttery, smooth handheld footage without expensive stabilizers or gimbals. Did we mention the whole thing can fit in your back pocket? That alone makes this a worthy addition to the slew of different vlogging cameras today. Aside from its gimbal, it's 1/1. 7-inch sensor gives it better low-light performance than most cameras of its size, and it can shoot it up to 60 FPS in 4K, with a slow-motion capture mode that records at up to 240 FPS in 1080p. On top of that, there's an active track feature that can automatically follow a subject as they move around. While its video quality doesn't compare to pricier interchangeable lens options like those mentioned above, this camera's unique functionality makes it one of the best cheap options to get you started. 6. Sony ZV-1. If you need something compact with more versatility than you get with the DJI Pocket 2, consider a point-and-shoot like the Sony ZV-1. Like the Sony ZV-E1 and the Sony ZV-E10 mentioned above, it features a vlogging-friendly design with a fully articulated screen, no viewfinder, and a vlogging microphone, complete with a detachable windscreen. But unlike its interchangeable lens stablemates, the ZV-1 is much more portable and uses a smaller 1-inch type sensor. While that means it's less suited to dim lighting conditions, the camera still records good video quality, has a great autofocus system, and offers plenty of frame rate options. The newer Sony ZV-1-2 features a new lens with a wider field of view that on the surface is better suited to vlogging. However, the ZV-1-2 lacks optical stabilization and crops your footage when using digital stabilization, so it's less suited to walk-and-talk vlogging than its predecessor. It's also pricier, making the original ZV-1 our top pick for those looking for a compact camera. And that's it! We've come to the end for today's video. Hopefully, these discoveries about the best vlogging cameras of 2024 have inspired you. It's been a really great experience to share this information with you, and I hope the information found in this video will help you on your content production journey. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you try any of the cameras we've talked about in this video, don't forget to share your experience with us. Your feedback will help us improve our channel even more.